what's up, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a super fun video. We are starting back with our back to school series. Yay, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm kind of behind on this. Everyone started in the middle of July, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna enjoy my summer. So today's video, we are doing back to school DIYs and back to school hacks. So I'm super excited, and if you guys are excited too, let's just keep on watching this video.
Let's go.
For these cute personalized binder clips, you're just going to need binder clips, of course, and some washi tape of your choice. I got these at AC Moore, and it's really cute and simple. All you have to do is line your binder clip with your washi tape, and you've got a really cute design, and I love these. They're really cute. We're going to DIY some cute bookmarks. So all you're going to need is paper clips and some cute ribbon. I got these, of course, at AC Moore. They have really cute ribbon. And you're just going to loop it through the paper clip and make a cute bow. And if you want to singe the ends with a lighter, you can totally do that. I didn't do that on video, but I actually did do that. It just keeps the ribbon from fraying. And I love these. They're really cute personalized bookmarks, and they look cute sticking out of your homework book or your grammar book, whatever. It's really cute.
Hey Katlyn, look how cute my notebook is. Look how awesome mine is.
To prevent a moment like that happening, all you need is some washi tape, of course. Now, I'm using the same washi tape, but you can obviously switch it up, and you're just going to line your notebooks with it. You could do composition books. You could even do the big 5-star notebooks with this. I just think it's really cute and adds a personalized touch to it. And also, you could take my favorite Ticonderoga pencils and line it with washi tape. You could do the whole pencil, or you could do just the end like I'm doing here, and it's so cute. You've got a matching pencil and you can brag about it now. No one will have the same as yours. Okay, so I think this is my favorite DIY. So all you have to do is have a plain binder, and you're going to take a bunch of sticky notes and line the inside of the binder where the pocket is, and you're just going to line that up, and then you're going to label it with the days. I labeled this with a Sharpie, and then I went and put all the activities and stuff in Sharpie, but I recommend pencil so you can erase it and use it again. But this is so cool, a really good way to keep up with all the things that you have to do. You could even line the sticky notes with washi tape. It's so cute.
Hey Katlyn, look how cute my notebook is.
So we really don't want this moment happening again now, do we? So to prevent a problem like this again, we're going to just take our bland white notebooks, and we're going to take some fun bright Sharpies. I just did some cool stripe designs and then a little quote, and I think it's really cute, and this way you know it's yours if you ever lose it, or if someone happens to steal it, you know, girl, this is yours. So yeah, it's cute and it's fun. If you're like me, like anytime I get headaches really easy and also stomach aches, all you have to do is bring some peppermint oil along with you in your backpack, dab it on your wrists, dab it on like your temples, and this automatically fixes the problem. I find myself like, this is truthfully, it helps me so much. So there's a hack for you. That moment when you're in the middle of a test and you blank, like you don't remember anything? Girl, I got you, and we're gonna help prevent this from happening ever again. So what I like to do for like my Bible verses or for the states or anything, I like to write it down on an index card and put it on my mirror. So every time I'm like doing my makeup, doing my hair, I see it, I read over it like 2 or 3 times. Literally, it's memorized. And next time, you can like say your verses without any problem.
Alright class, which one of you would like to come up and say your memory verse?
Oh, me!
Alright Katlyn, you can go.
Romans 8:28. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. Romans 8:28.
Good job. Everyone knows you.
You know that moment when you're walking down the hall and you get this whiff of something and you're like, whoa, wait a minute, is that me? And you pull out your backpack and you realize, oh my gosh, that totally is me. Girl, I got you, and we're gonna solve this problem. All you need is those sneaker balls that they sell at Hibbett Sports, and you're just gonna throw that in your backpack and you're good.
Enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below when your school starts, because I'm curious. I'm really curious. I start the week of August 13th, so I'm super excited just to get back into a routine. Let me know when you guys start. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week with another fun back to school video. Bye. Oh, yeah. Okay.